Kaluwore gi medruok mag masiche mag apaya ahinya e gwenge mag KenHa e kaunti ma Murang'a kokalo nyaka Sagana e kaunti ma Kirinyaga nyaka e gwenge mag Marua e kaunti ma Nyeri, apisas mag telo ma ochung'ne apeyni madongo ma pacho ka KenHa otimo limbe mar chwo wang'gi kaka gedo mar apayano dhi nyime. Apayano ma igero e bwo sir mar bengi mar dongruok pinje Afrika kata African Development Bank ma bende koro wacho ni gimor kod chenro mar gedo mar apayano. E kindego joma tiyo kod apayano kamoting'o derepe okwa mondo obed akicha ka gintiere apaya kaka yor duoko piny masiche mag apaya ma osebedo katimore e apayano.
I'm here to appreciate the progress made, but more importantly, the impact it is having on the lives of people. I really commend the Kenyan authority for the work which is progressing well. From the design, from the implementation, I can see the works are on the right track. We expect to complete the road within the set timelines, which is quite within this year. We are really commending the efforts being put. On the side of the contractors, we have seen a really capable team which is very committed.
This project encompasses the development of 5 markets in each of the lots. That is a total of 10 markets which will support the local businesses. We are also investing in safety in terms of footbridges. Footbridges, particularly where we have schools, where we have a heavy population that crosses the road, we will introduce footbridges. Now, we are also undertaking environmental issues. We are all aware of the greening of the world that is required. We are aware we have experienced a drought in the recent months. We have planted 61,000 trees in this region to counter the carbon effect.